Hiccups are a common and often annoying phenomenon that many people experience. But have you ever wondered what causes that peculiar sound? It all starts with a sudden, involuntary spasm in the diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen. When this muscle contracts unexpectedly, it causes a sudden and quick intake of air into the lungs. Here's a closer look at the process. The diaphragm is responsible for controlling the movement of air in and out of the lungs. When it contracts suddenly, it creates a rapid downward motion. This forceful contraction causes your lungs to pull in air quickly. As this air rushes into your throat, it encounters a brief, yet crucial, obstacle: your vocal cords. The vocal cords, or vocal folds, are located in the larynx and voice box, and are crucial for sound production. During a hiccup, the sudden intake of air causes the vocal cords to snap shut quickly. This abrupt closure of the vocal cords effectively stops the air from continuing its path. As a result, the sudden cessation of airflow is what creates the characteristic tick sound that we associate with hiccups. This sound is a direct consequence of the interaction between the sudden contraction of the diaphragm and the rapid closure of the vocal cords. The involuntary nature of this spasm is what makes hiccups difficult to control or prevent. While hiccups are usually harmless and temporary, they can be quite bothersome. They often occur without any clear trigger, though they can be associated with factors like eating too quickly, consuming carbonated beverages, or even sudden changes in temperature. In summary, hiccups occur due to an unexpected contraction of the diaphragm, which leads to a quick intake of air. The air moving into the lungs is abruptly stopped by the vocal cords snapping shut, creating the distinctive hiccup sound. While often harmless, understanding this mechanism can provide insight into why we experience this common bodily quirk.